VSCode stands for Visual Studio Code, is a user-friendly code editor that helps programmers write, edit, and manage their code more efficiently. It is used to create and work on computer programs, websites, and other software projects, offering features like syntax highlighting, debugging tools, and extensions that enhance the coding experience and productivity. In this video, we will learn the installation process of VSCode on Ubuntu. To begin, open a browser and search for code.visualstudio.com. Here you can see the Debian package. As we are going to download it for Ubuntu, click on the Debian package. After clicking, this page will be loaded and the download will start automatically. You can see the file is downloaded successfully. Now to check the path, minimize the browser and open the files. Now the downloads, and here you can see the downloaded file of code. Now let's proceed to the installation process. For that, minimize the files and open the terminal. Navigate to the downloads folder with typing cd space downloads, ls for list of content, and here you can see the downloaded file of code. To extract and install code, enter the command sudo dpkg-i and the file name. I am typing code and pressing on tab to enter the full file name and hitting enter, providing my password. This command will unpack the downloaded zipped file and will install the code automatically. So here you can see the unpacking and installation is done and VS Code is successfully installed. You can check it in two ways, one from the terminal and another from the menu. Let's check from the terminal at first. Type code and hit enter. You have to set a password for security purpose. So let's set a password. So this is the VS Code interface. From here, you can create a new file, open existing file or folder, some recommendation for you, and so on. You can explore it as your preference. So now let's open it from the menu. Closing the code, click on the menu and search for code. Here you can see Visual Studio Code. Click on this. You can see the code has started again. So this is how you can open the Visual Studio Code from the menu also. Closing it again. Now suppose you want to install the code. For that, type sudo apt purge code and hit enter. Press Y to continue. So code is installed successfully. To check, type code and hit enter. You can see no such file or directory. So code is installed successfully. So this is it. Hope you found this video helpful and thank you for watching.